Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. Hope I'm not delayed. It seems like my connection is not stable tonight. I did want to read on Magwi today, starting today. I'm Jacqueline Kwan, Chaka Leb Acholi, segment with Kwan Leb Acholi, session number 81, reading on the Magwi clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, Magwi will be the last clan that I will be reading on. It concludes all of the reading on the different clans of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, yesterday I read on Africa, Agulu Kadmi Africa, or the Rainmakers of Africa. Okay, please join the live, share, like, comment, engage. I'm hoping that I'm not delayed. I'm airing late tonight. I've been up doing other things. It's been really hot today and started to do others really late tonight. I want to start reading, but I don't trust my connection. Let me know. Okay, Nininja Jolie, can you hear me? Chaka family, wherever you're watching from, please follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. I also air on my personal Facebook page, which is Chaka Gekong South Sudan. I'm still reading on the different clans of the Acholi tribe of South Sudan. The Magwi clan will be the last one. Today I'm going to start off with a brief intro. And then I will start off with the first subclan of the Magwi clan, which is Orak. Okay. If you're from Magwi, please drop your comments, like, comment, engage, drop me a comment, please. Let me know how I'm doing, how I'm reading, how I'm pronouncing the different words and lingo or names of the leaders and territories or regions in the Magwi territory. Okay. If you would like to be a guest, please also send me a private message or a direct message. You can also leave a comment under this video and we can discuss what I'm reading, or even if you want to share any additional information about the Magwi clan or the Magwi people. I'm going to read fast because it seems my connection is not stable. I'm going to try my best to read as fast as I can. Okay, so this chapter is chapter 17 on Magwi. La Choja Joning regarding Magwi. Okay, Gangmi Magwi is the first section. La Choja Joning, Tie Ganga Beach, Maoromo, Ngomi Magwi. Mana ye, Panikwara, Kao Mel, Gitu, Borocheng, or west. Obogi to Nyango, east. Ka Imorok gi Africa, yo to Malo, or north and northwest. Okay. Take what Pachuli, Mi Sudan, Wajuni, Wang Lobo Mi Magwi, Gi Panikwara, Tie Iadem, Mi Romo, Toguli. Ento, Dana Mokena Wajuni, wang lobo mi magwi gi panyikwara tie ikulu ingili wang lobo mi magwi gi omeo tie ikulu kigoya wang lobo mi magwi gi imarok nyo ifuotu tie ikulu koli matie iyo torit. Okay. Yala kaninga ka wang lobo mi magwi wang lobo mi magwi gi obok mono tie ikum god paloyo moy nyoli kari. Jumagwi tie gi dok od martino aboro kitman. I hope I'm not delayed. Okay, giti dok od aboro. Okay. I might have to reread this section. I don't know if I should end the live. It's a little bit delayed. I don't know why. I might have to change my streaming platform. So Magwi dok od aboro, which are, am I still delayed? If I am, I'm gonna have to end the live. Dok od aboro, which are Orak, Bura, Amika, Labure, Ofufuru, Afufuru, Nyo Ijola. Palongoi, nope, that's wrong. Palongoni, Palemo, Ka Kilio. Last time we also found there was a Kilio in Omea, right? Now I'm going to start reading on the first subclan, which is Orak. Okay, it's about 1 page. After I conclude the reading on Orak, tomorrow I will read on Bura. Tomorrow night I will read on the Bura subclan. Okay. For some reason, I feel like I already read on Magwi. Am I confused? Some of the names of the subgroups are similar with the names of subgroups in other clans. Okay, so now I'm going to now read on Orak. If you're from Orak, and Magwi, drop your comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if the information I'm reading tonight is correct. Okay. And also please leave your comments if you want to add anything. So regarding Orak, Mapuri pe wachiro anena lobmi te kwaro. Ma kwaho dano mi dok od ma parapat ma tie I Magwi. Amiro mokwongo wa gamping man. Okay. Magwi tien loke ango. E karma puda tie Juba. Apenyo lo diro mi Magwi a pa wia biero. No, I'm sorry, a pa wia beach. Okay. Gi peny man achel ne Magwi tien loke ango. Lo dira pa owaje borani Magwi tien loke ne. Ne pe wangeo ka mawabino gie. Okay? Tien loke ni pa wangeo ka mawabino gie. Okay? Ginwaje borani nying Magwi obino gi lobo Afrika. No, the name was Omagwi. Okay? Matie loke ni pe wangeo ka mawabino gie. Lo diro mi Magwi bene waje borani. Majo Orak obino e Magwi mi achel gino gon e kabere magi lungo edikoi Matie chok I got okiri igang Afrika. Okay? Jo Orak obero e edikoi pi mwara maromo chok apa Don wachani mapuri jo Orak adonya ilob Afrika Danami Africa o Penyogini, Ubino Gikoene, Nena Chalo, Orako Nongo, Neo Leb Africa Manok. Okay? Gin Dong, o Gamobot Gileb Africa ni, Omagwi. Omagwi. Okay? That's how they responded. Gileb Africa, Tienloke ni, Hiwangyo Kamawa Bino Gie. How do you not know where you come from? That was the answer. They don't know where they come from. Okay? Jo Africa dong o wajane wunen jo o magwi man. Wunen dano ma pe ngeo kamagi bino gie. Isn't that weird? Jo rak dong o bero ka wajo ikingine wanen ka jo Africa lungo wane jo o magwi. Ada jo Africa dong o lungo jo o rak ne o magwi. O magwi. Ooh. Wow, my connection is not so good. Oh, Magwi. What is wrong with my platform tonight? Okay, so Luongini o Magwi. Okay. Mod jorak o kwanyo o wako gi lo o Magwi. Okay. Kagino lungo kumgi dong ni jo o Magwi. I might have to re-record this session tomorrow. I think also with the heat and everything, I don't know if that's affecting my connection or it's just my streaming platform. It's not the best. So then, I tell you, joining off. Enter Ludira Beach, me Magwi, Mokana, Wajaborane, Magwi Tenlo Kene, Akoro, Mabino Kayenyo, Akoro, Mabino Kayenyo, Nyo, Akoro, Mayenyo. Nen chala jorak olungo kumgi kidman. Pian gino we holobo megi mi achel pilok mi da gilweng ma beri mo bero ikingi gi omeho mo donga nej. Pilok man jorak dong o bero katamani gwak nyo dano ma donga nej kalubukogi. Okay? Leb Acholi la choka dong uchamo chiro en wajni chunya kenani no en wajo gi chunye kenani ka ngad ma lubukora kan nungo en bene yenyo look mo. Okay? Iyo ma check what? Iyo ma check la cho wajani akuro ma yenya. Okay, so you're waiting for the person who's looking for you or looking for your trouble. Akoro mayenya. La chien anongo dano ma chalo santo. O yet o gin. O wajani nying magwi o bino gilo mani makwi. Makwi. Gileb lo tugo ma tien lo keni dek oyado. If you're from Magwi, please let us know. What do you think? What's the origin of the name Magwi? Does it mean Dek Oyado, Makwi in Lotugo, Dek Oyado? Or does it mean you don't know where you guys come from? Or Magwi, or Magwi. Okay. And they're saying that you guys came from Africa. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys came from Africa. And the Africa people are basically Lotugo, from the Lotugo tribe who settled in Acholi. Okay, so does Magwi mean Dek Oyado, or does it mean you guys don't know where you guys come from? Please drop your comments if you're from Magwi, or even if you're in Acholi and you know the origin of the Magwi people and where they come from. Okay, yala ningo. Kidma wabiro kaneno malokan. Te kwarmi Acholi wajane jo Orak obino ogero edikoi edikoi matie e tegot okiri. Nyo kire. Okay? La did mau kilo luak mi orak e magwi. Wan pe wangeo nyinge. Ento dana mi ario mo lobo jwe jo orak obero jo bura. Palonganyi nyo bura polonyong. Ruot awia aye kilo dana mi bura palonganyi. Gi koyo mi imorok. Gino bino gero iwi got okire. Okay? Don wajane jo bura padieri olo jwe bura palonganyi. Gino bino ogere kum jo orak dok bong. Te kwara mi magwi wajane jo orak gi jo bura obero edikoi chok moha pa. Kai moha apar bong wani pira dek jo rak odak ogero team lobela aye team pa jo ijola. Ka jo bura palonganyi gi jo bura padieri kono odak gi idikoi gino chiro ogeri dok guru pa bilal ma agi torit chiro opari. Okay? Kid ma waneno kan jo rak aye mau chako bino ite god okire. Ka jo bura palonganyi obero dano mi ario. Mana ye gin ma owero jo orak odogo wiri pajo mi magui. Ka imiro ngeo lok mi te kwar pa jo orak maduong Kwan second edition mi book man. Okay? Yala ningo te kwar mi magui wajani mapori dana mi magwi pe ogero team lobela gino bero ka wot kabero mapara pat kidman team achila team Mary magwi ogwa gi rehe kalachien gino bino ogero team lobela nyo lobela kama magwi tintie team lobela obero team ma cheho chum dana wajani team lobela o chaha gi porocheng mi kulu kimuru nyo kimuru o chiro kwere watung pin mi la ora adochi ula adoch gikan team lobela odonyo itung malo mi kulu ayi. Okay? So now regarding team gi got mi orak la chojo nongoningo jo rak pere gi team gin bene gi pere gi got nyo jok. So gi tiro wingom mi magwi lakin gi pegi team gi pegi jok. Okay? And then gi pegi got mo. What do you think? Drop your comments if you're from Magwi, you're from Orak. So they're saying they came from Africa. Some of them don't want to disclose where they actually come from. So Lalungini or Magwi, and some people are saying that Magwi basically mean Dek or Yado. I don't know why they would be named after Dek or Yado. Please drop your comments if you know. Okay, so that concludes the reading on the Orak subclan. Tomorrow I will read on the Buddha subclan. The Orak was the founding fathers of Magwi territory. Okay, they came first, and I guess the other groups came after. Okay, drop your comments if you're from Magwi, you know anything about Magwi, let us know. Okay, and I'll pour my deck until tomorrow. You guys have a good night. Bye-bye.